To export your Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup, follow these steps. First, log into your Google Analytics account and select the property you want to export. Navigate to the Admin section, which is located at the bottom left corner of the page. In the Admin section, click on Property Settings. Then click on Property Setup. Next, click on the Tracking Info tab and then click on Tracking Code. You will see the Website Tracking section, where you can find the Tracking ID. The Tracking ID is a unique identifier for your Google Analytics property, and you will need it to export your setup. Now, to export your Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup, you need to use the Google Analytics Management API or the Google Analytics 360 API. If you are using the Google Analytics Management API, you can use the API to export your property settings, including the tracking code, goals, and filters. To use the API, you need to have a Google Developers Console project and enable the Google Analytics API. Then, create credentials for your project, such as a service account or OAuth client ID. After that, install the Google API Client Library for your programming language of choice and use the library to authenticate with the API and make requests to export your property settings. For example, you can use the API to export your goals, which include the goal name, type, and destination. You can also export your filters, which include the filter name, type, and pattern. Best practices for exporting your Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup include regularly backing up your property settings and testing your API requests to ensure they are working correctly. Additionally, make sure to only grant the necessary permissions to the API and keep your credentials secure. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully export your Google Analytics Universal Analytics setup and use the data to analyze and improve your website or application.